Hi everyone, so we finally got the tube come through. Now this is the one I chose from all the others on YouTube or eBay or whatever, and I think this is the right one. At least I hope so, because it's flexy and it's more flexy than the one I've been using, which is good. So we can just try and see. Don't forget, this has been sitting down for some time now. I haven't used it, so it might be a little bit stiff on there. See what happens. So I'm going to try and blow in there. It does work with this now, but where's it gone? With this part here. So this will hold this tube. So obviously it'll go on this side. I think it goes this way around like this. I'll check it out and do it now. I'm gonna push this through here and put nuts on it, put the wheels on. M3 by 10, M3 by 12, and a couple of washers. Here's a washer. Guys, I got this 2mm syringe, two of them. This is a 6mm, 8mm and 10mm, and one of these. Piston is 34 centimeters from the rubber end there to there. 34 centimeters. So what's going to happen is I'm going to cut two of these flaps off and make a hole of 3mm so that the bolt can go through there. I'm going to cut the end of this off, and then I'm going to get a tube which is supposed to be 4mm, but I haven't got 4mm, I've got 3mm. Go on to the end of this, and the other end to the end of the other part. Where's that? I found it. So the end of this and the end of this. I'm going to do that off camera. Okay, here we go. So fill the syringe full of water, and I put this large syringe, I can't say the word now, in there, and you just pull that up and down like that, so you can see that water comes out, as it were, that side. You know what I mean? Okay, so that's going up and down. Then you put the other syringe, oh, see it then, in this side, which is this one here with the hole in. But you need to put a bit of oil on this thing here, so that it kind of goes in smoothly, as it were. Right, and then that should, in theory, oops, bring that up, and vice versa, as you can see. Okay, so that's the plan up to now. That's working fine. In theory, this is what it should look like, really. So that goes up like that, and then comes down like that. So up, down. Just to show you how I've done it all, this part is very close to this wheel here, so I'll have to kind of hold on to it like this, and as you can see, okay, and then this goes into there like that. This is out here, and this goes onto there like that. There you go. You see that? Okay guys, so I don't have the 4mm flexi one, so I had to use this one. I had to modify a lot of things, change a lot of things, do it differently, so on and so forth. Anyway, long and short of it is that this and that would go through there, because you can see that's a little lip there, but I couldn't do that because this is very stiff. So this can work like this, but the problem here is that I can't get this to make it loose a bit. I tried pushing it, and see, it works that way, but it doesn't pull it back. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave it as it is, to be honest with you, and I'm going to modify all this later on. But that's how it should go. As you can see, that's there, that's gone on there, that should be like that, that should be like this, and so on and so forth. So yeah, so at the moment I can spin this, because I'm going to have to tie this up like this here at the bottom there, like this, and hold it there for now. So yeah, let's see now. How do we go? Maybe I think it should go this way around, so we can blow on that there. We should go, this will go in there, this will go in there, and this has to go further down, obviously. So yeah, push it down as much as we can. So it goes like this, guys. This is not working 100%, so because this is not going in and out easy enough. I will change the design later, but at the moment I'm going to leave it as it is, and we'll give this one, we'll say this one is sorted now. Okay. So guys, I've showed you the video up till now how it's supposed to go, and I couldn't make mine work with that water to spin this round. So what I did, I changed everything. I put a little wire through there, right through the cable, coming out to here, and this should twist it in theory. Doesn't turn much, but it is turning somewhat there. That's the best I'm going to do, guys. Okay, it's very hard to blow, so I'm going to try a little bit of an air compressor, see if that will make it work, I suppose, I hope. That's it, guys. I don't think I'm going to get much more success out of this. I found it very difficult to move this. I kept it fixed and it went forward. It works nicely without using this anyway, to adjust the wheels. But anyway, that's the best I'm going to do. Thank you for watching. Well, thank you for watching.